Good morning children. Today we will be making a 3D diya for Diwali. See, this type of diya we will be making today. Okay. So for this you will be needing pastel sheet or handmade sheet, whatever is available, and you will use glue and scissors. Okay. So let's start with the diya first. This part, diya. Okay. So for that what you have to do, you have to take a sheet here and then you have to fold it into two equal halves, and then you will draw one semicircle or a half circle. I am doing it with a sketch pen. See, this is how you're going to draw, and then you will cut this very neatly and carefully. Okay. So this is how you're going to make one diya. Okay, and then we'll cut it from here so that we can insert the flame inside. From the center you have to cut a small part like this from the center. Okay, and then we'll be making this type of flame. So for this what you will do, you will take one yellow color paper, red color paper, and you have to draw these shapes. You have to draw flame, and then what you will do, you will cut them like this. So we'll be needing two red and one yellow. So after cutting it, we have to put some glue. Both the red flames, we'll put some glue, and then this is how you're going to paste. Okay, and this side also. This is how we are going to make one flame, and then this part, what I'll do, this part I'll put some glue. See, like this, and then what I'll do, I'll put this inside this. You have to insert this. From both the sides. Insert this from both the sides. See, this is how you're going to insert this part, and then press. See, from both the sides, you can use this from both the sides. Okay, now your 3D diya is ready. If you want, you can put some decoration material here and you can use it for decoration purpose. You can keep it on your table or wherever you want. Okay, see. Thank you.